Hello adventurers, I hope you all had a wonderful holiday season. Today we are trying something a little bit different with the filming setup. I haven't decided if I like this or not, so we shall see. This is a project I've been trying to do for a while, and I finally just said, screw it, we'll do this now. So the fun part about these mason jar candles is that you can decorate with anything you want. I'm using flowers here. You can do herbs, you can do rocks, glass beads, anything you want. The downside is if you have something that might float, you want to make sure it's anchored down. I filmed this on Christmas Day, so all of the stores were closed. So I was unable to get some clear glass beads that once I filled this jar with water, you would not be able to see. That being said, these turned out really, really pretty. Andy, please don't bite me. Thank you. Oh, you get fed in 30 minutes. You can wait. Okay. These are really easy to do. They're just basic oil candles with some decorations. So you put your decorations in the jar, you fill it up with water, and then you leave enough space for about a 1/4 inch of oil. Now, there are different types of wicks you can use for this. I'm actually using some menorah wicks here for oil menorahs. There's at least 2 or 3 different types of wicks you can use. I found this was the easiest for me, and you want your oil to be about a 1/4 of an inch. That will burn for roughly 2 hours. I'm doing a couple different designs here so that you can see the different possibilities with ingredients. These can be made to look as seasonal as you want. In the summer, you could put lemons in these, orange slices, different types of flowers. In the winter, you can put pine cones, cranberries, cinnamon sticks, different spices, as long as they are all weighed down so that they are not going to float. As you will see once I light these candles, everything here will float, regardless of my attempts to the contrary. I just used olive oil for this. It burns cleanly and it's something that most people have in their households. But you can use any other type of oil. You can use vegetable oil, you can use canola oil, you could use lamp oil if you wanted. I used olive oil because it was the thing I had on hand and it was my cheapest option. And that's it. It's really simple to do. If you make a mason jar candle, let me know and share or tag me on Instagram if you post it. I hope you all have a wonderful beginning of the year. We will be back to our normal schedule as of today. May all of your side quests be memorable and your main quest be fulfilling. Have a wonderful day.